All right, so here we are. We are doing the Broken Arrow Trail out in Sedona. And it is insane. Very good. It's basically the same trail that the Pink Jeep Tour does. There are a lot of rocks and a lot of climbing. We just went to a place called Chicken Point, which was pretty intense. We pulled out onto it, and you can drive on it, but it's you're standing way up, probably 400 or 500 feet up, and then you're looking at these huge spires sticking out of the ground. So I figured I'd get a little bit of video on the second portion. We're heading over to something called the ladder or the stairs or something like that. So that looks like it's going to be interesting. It's a series of stairs that we're going to climb, and it's obviously not going to be vertical, but it's supposedly be pretty challenging. But we are doing this trail I'm in first gear low because the rocks are just ridiculous. And we are passing the Pink Jeep Tour as we are doing this. The Pink Jeep Tour guys are here also. So we are basically backing up for them, or they're backing up for us. So it's kind of neat. Look at that scenery in the background. And sorry about the video. I know it's a little shaky, but it's a little rough. And here's it. We're gonna go down here. Like I said, first gear, super low, and we have a traffic jam. But look at that. Look at this scenery. Beautiful. All right, that's all for now. I'll see you when we get to this staircase.